Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by validating prerequisites: spectrum rights, backhaul capacity, and site power. Once confirmed, provision a 5G core choice, standalone for full features or non-standalone to overlay LTE. Next, map target cell sites and verify physical access and fiber availability, because latency and throughput depend on backhaul quality. Make sure to allocate IP ranges, security zones, and management VLAN now so configuration steps won't stall. Start onboarding one pilot site immediately to iterate quickly and learn practical constraints. You now deploy the core and radio. First, instantiate AMF, SMF, and UPF in resilient virtual clusters. This gives control plane redundancy and data plane scale. Once done, configure G Node B profiles with correct bandwidth, PRB allocation, and transmit power. Physically align antennas to optimize center. Make sure to set neighbor relations and handover thresholds for mobility. Then integrate OSS/BSS for subscriber management and provisioning, and enable EPC interworking if running NSA. Test end-to-end attach and data session. You finish by validating and scaling. Begin with drive tests and KPI checks: throughput, latency, RSRP, and RSRQ to confirm user experience. Once validated, roll out in stages: pilot, cluster, then region, automating configuration and monitoring to reduce human error. If problems occur, focus troubleshooting on backhaul and core sessions first, then review G Node B logs and RF interference. These cause most failures. Finally, iterate software fixes, tune RF parameters, and update capacity plans so the network stays reliable as subscribers grow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.